Hi, I'm Jeff Bacca. I'm the owner of Snowbird Home. We are a home remodeling and home maintenance company. So we do a lot of home remodeling, which would be kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, refinishing wood floors. We also have a whole maintenance division which goes in once a month and services homes with changing light bulbs, checking caulking, and all the different spots in the house that could cause damage over time. With the COVID virus and the social distancing, we have definitely seen changes in the way we have to do our business. Some of our customers have requested putting some of the projects off. Some have canceled altogether because it has caused some economic issues for them. Practicing social distancing within their home, where we enter the home, we clean everything we're doing, we make the area nice and safe for them, and we were able to get the project done because it's something they needed to have done now, or we were in the middle of the project when all this happened. We see a lot of people doing their own projects at home, posting pictures of the bathroom remodels they're working on themselves, or painting rooms. And so one of the things we'd like to do is come up with a way that we can help offer some of our services to some of those people that are working on their own projects at home that may not be professionals, so to speak. So we come up with an idea to use the internet and the web conferencing that seems to be the big thing these days, where if you reach out to us through Facebook or send us an email, we'll set up a time where we can reach out to you with a video conference and help you with your project. You can ask questions, you can show us what you're working on. Maybe you want to know the order in which things need to happen in a project so you get the best results. Make the project go a little smoother, maybe a little quicker. How to get a really good finished product. Maybe you're going to tackle a kitchen remodel and you want to know what order things need to happen in. We would love to help you with that project. We'd love to help you with any of those things through a web conference. We're going to set up times that we can do during the day with you and just walk you through what you need to do. This is going to be absolutely free. We're not going to charge anybody anything. We just want to be here to help. The reason we came up with this idea is that the guys are wanting to work. They don't have a full day's worth of work some days because of the way this is going on. So this is a way that we can fill their time with work, and we can set up times for them to help with different projects that you guys have at the house. If you want to send us an instant message on Facebook, you want to send us an email with your name, a way to get a hold of you, we'll set up a time during the day that we can get you on board and do a video conference with you and help go through your project, answer your questions. So hey, thanks for watching the video. We hope you have fun with your projects at home. We hope this whole virus situation's over soon and everything goes back to normal. But in the meantime, we're here to help. That's what we want to do. That's the whole main goal with this thing, is to help you guys with your projects. So reach out.